Hello guys, welcome to my channel Srujal's Creation. So today I'm back with another very video that is about an introduction to Scratch programming. So I hope that you're familiar with with the interface of the Scratch. If you are not, so first of all let me tell you that I've already uploaded a video before it that how to download Scratch to offline editor for the for the computer Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 9 and Windows 10. For these windows I have already uploaded a video about that how to download Scratch 2 in our what? Computer. So, computer or laptop. And it's not available in mobiles and tablets. I think, yeah, it's only available in computers, PCs and laptops and laptops. So, I personally like Scratch very much as I am able to do I'm able to do many things and I'm able to create my own games, but I've not learned how to create games, but I will learn it later as I have also been an introduction to the room. So first of all, let's get familiar with this. With the interface, okay? Interface of my what? Yeah, let me tell you of the Scratch app. Okay, let me just do now. 1 minute. Okay, I don't need Wi-Fi, so I will what airplane mode. Yes, airplane mode. So now listen to me. Okay. So now let's get familiar with the interface of the Scratch. Huh? So okay, and let me start with the that is a basic concept of Scratch. So basically now, what is Scratch? Do you know what is Scratch? Okay, so let me tell you that what is a Scratch. So Scratch is a programming. It's a programming app type of thing. Okay, so it's a programming type that I personally, let me tell you first of all definition of it. So okay, so do you know how computer works? So computer, how does the computer work? We give the instructions to the computer. Only then only then because computer does not understand human language, right? It does not understand human languages. So it only understands only a few special languages that are called programming languages. And also, do you know that the number of words and sentences a computer understands are only limited? Okay. So if let me tell you that just let me tell you that definition for it. Okay, so special languages means programming languages. So there are many types of programming languages in this world, like JavaScript, Python, and assembly languages, lower language, higher language, like that. You will be learning these for. Okay, you will be learning these for because then you can be creating your own games, animations, and a lot more. So what is a program? Do you know ever wondered at what is a program? Okay, so the sequence of instructions given to a computer is called a program. And in Scratch, a program is saved as a project. It is known as a project. Scratch project 1, Scratch project 5, like that. Then a programming language is a set of instructions. Using these limited instructions, we can make a computer perform certain activities. Now coming to what is a Scratch. So Scratch is a computer application that can be used to give instructions to a computer. Right? Okay. And the sequence of instructions is called a program. Yeah, I already told you right now. So it will be making parts. I will be making parts of these so that the videos are clear, the chapters are clear. So first of all, in this video, we will be getting familiar with the interface of the Scratch. Now let's move to this whole. This. Okay, this is an offline editor. I don't need any Wi-Fi. Or if you don't want to download this Scratch offline editor in your computer, you can also just use it online. Scratch has a its particular website. It is named as Scratch 2 online editor. But for that you have to need Wi-Fi or internet connection, right? So, now if I talk about this cat. So this is called the sprite. In Scratch it is called sprite. Each picture like this cat is called a sprite in Scratch. Okay, and do you know that the area where the sprite moves is called the stage. The computer follows the step-by-step instructions to give the output to us. So if I move here, so this white space, let me increase. See this white space where the not this one, only this one. It is called the stage. Why it is called the stage? Because it's stage. So do you ever wonder that when we go on the stage and we speak or we do any drama, so it has a base. Okay, it is our base. If we will not stand on it, we will fall, right? So like this in this Scratch is also happening, right? So we don't have the stage, we don't have the sprite. We have the sprite, we have the stage. If we have the sprite, we have to be like we have the stage, right? This is the white space. This white space is called stage, where the sprite moves, do actions that we do, do the script that we make, and the script that it follows is known as stage, where it moves. In simple words, we can also say that the stage is the area where stories, games, animations, actions, and etc. come to life. Now, let me tell you one more important thing of this interference of this Scratch. So, do you know that a computer carries out the instructions of program? Yeah, everyone knows. So, one by one in the given sequence. This is called running or executing a program. First of all, let's get familiar with the interference. Right. So, this is the stage. This is the sprite. We have learned two things. Okay, and this is the symbol, the red symbol above the sprite. This is known as stop. Stop. Okay, it's for stop. And this green flag is for executing the program. If I go over here and this I just go and just do anything like this. So when I click green flag, it will move 10 steps. Now I will tell how 10 steps. What is this 10 steps? I will tell you what is this. Let me delete it. Yeah. Now, yeah. So, suppose the sprite is over here. First of all, let's get so the new sprite. If we want a new sprite, we don't like no. I say that I don't want this sprite. So I will go at this new sprite, this monkey type. Okay, this monkey type. So when you will go over there, you will get just like get a type of option that chooses sprite from the you click on it. And this is the sprites library. So see, you have the cat. This is the default sprite that as soon as we open Scratch, this is the default. The cat one is the default sprite that we got. So, so like we want anything. If we want sprite in animals, if we want any animal, fantasy, letters, or people, things, transportation, theme, any type of thing. Every sprite of this world, every creature is a human being, not a human being, but like no human being, not living things, all like that. Human, not just human or it's living. It's living and non living things. Both are there in the sprite library. You can just check vector. If I see, like if I want this bat, if you click on this bat one, if you can also select 2, 5, 6, 7. As many as sprites you want, like I want this. Okay, yeah, we have to now just there's one problem in this card that we have to select it indivisibly. Let's me color and just click on OK, and this sprite will be over here. I can move and where I want to, right? So now let me tell you very important thing. See this as see notice this. Okay, this price. Okay, under this these are two boxes. Notice on this. Okay. Now see what happened when I was moving the bat. See now I'm moving the bat. This blue box that is the border of that sprite is coming. When I'm moving bat, it is coming on that. And when I'm moving cat, so it is coming on cat. So it is called this sequence I option. This is the sprite. It is called the sprite info pane. Pain, right? It's not that pain, the dard wala. It's not that. It's pain, P-A-N, window pane, type that, like that. Okay. So and we can also delete these sprites. See, if this is the default one, na? See, this is the default. So if I want to delete it, I can also right click over here. And if I want to duplicate this, yeah, I also have one more. And yeah, and then if I want to save to local file or any other storage to our computer, you can also do that. And if you want info of this, what is a sprite, like no, what is this cat sprite will do now next. And if you want to delete this, we go delete. And now over here, if you like, if you want to delete this cat sprite from over here, so you just click on this, है ना? And now right click, and you can also one more option is there. You over here right click, and also you forget delete option. And so now notice, let me tell you, see, and this is a paint newspaper. Paint newspaper means we can like it happens sometimes that we want a sprite like no, it is just no it is different from other creatures. If we want a bat if we want a bat, the bat, cricket bat is flying like that animation type. Okay, so we don't get in this. So we can paint, and means we can create our own sprite. If we click on it, see, I have got a backdrop for it. It is the costume. So now see, I have the pen. If I want to clear, I have cleared. If I want to write a text behind it, so I can write that. Okay, hello. Okay, let me, hello. Now see, I have written hello. And now if I choose any pink, see, pink, it has already in colored in pink. And see, this is the backdrop, right? This is a stage backdrop. Okay, and if I want to just to color it, see, it's coming. See over here, jo no, you see come. Yes, yeah. If I just do and like that, I just do and do like that. See, see, doing right. Now let me clear it. And this hello, I think this is the sprite. I've only written text. I can also paint a sprite as well. Now let me delete it. Now let me just, no, I don't want this. I want this. See. And if I want one more sprite, like I want to create my own sprite. This is, oh, just a second. Yeah. This is my, okay. What's happened? Color is not happening. Arey, what happened? Just a second. Acha, mujhe paint. Okay, paint. I have to paint the sprite. Only then, na, I will be able to see. See. Okay, yeah. Now, see. I have to draw a boy. I will make his eyes. सी भयंकर बना रही हूँ मैं, बहुत ही ज्यादा गंदा बना रही हूँ, तो उसको माइंड मत करना। फिर नहीं, मैं लड़की बनाऊंगी तो मैं इसके बाल ऐसे बना देती हूँ। सो ना ये स्प्राइट हुई, मतलब आप तो बहुत अच्छे से बना सकते हो, लेकिन मैं तो अच्छे, मतलब मेरे पास ऑलरेडी इतनी स्प्राइट है तो मुझे कोई जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आपको बहुत अलग सी स्प्राइट टाइप थिंग चाहिए तो आप क्या कर सकते हो कि आप अपनी खुद की एक स्प्राइट बना सकते हो, लेकिन आपकी बस ये होना चाहिए कि आपकी ड्राइंग अच्छी होनी चाहिए, राइट। और मुझे इसको, मैं पिंक कलर यूज करती हूँ। अब मैं इसको शायद कलर भी कर सकती हूँ। Okay, if I want, I can also color. It takes time, but yeah, it's fun. You can also use it. If we have to undo, oh, and then we have to redo, oh, yeah. Now I will not make this. Understood? Now get familiar with the tabs. There are mainly 3 tabs in Scratch 2, that is scripts first, and this is the costumes, and this is the sounds. Okay, so can you hear it? I will tell you after we are done with scripts and costume tab. So in script tab we have different panels for different actions, right? Like if motion tab, the first one tab is the motion tab. Okay, so if I just see, okay, I will not I will only limit this video till 30 minutes only, and then I will teach you after in the second part, right? I will do that. Now, listen to me. See, if the motion tab, okay, the motion tab, I have to just let the sprite, okay, let me just do the spat one. Where's the, okay, let me delete it. Okay, now if I just see, no sprite there. So see, the motion tab is also not that. Okay, like that. है ना? So now let me select a sprite. For example, I select this ball. Okay, I select this ball and this is the ball, right? And now if I want that this ball should move 100 steps, and I should get a square. So let me tell you what is this. See, in motion tab now what happens is that, like if motion tab is in blue color, we can see, so all the commands we need, okay, so all the commands are in blue color only because it belongs to the motion tab and motion tab is in blue color. So that's why these commands are also in blue color. Understood? Okay. Also, this is like if I this all the motion tab is no all is related to actions. It acts. If I see, like, let me just do move 10 steps. Only it is not that only it can move 10 steps. You just right click or just you double click on this 10 and you will get, and you can write any number that you want. If I want 55 steps, so 55 steps I got. And now let me click on this. See, it has moved. You can also see it has moved. We moved that we had moved. First of all, this was here. And now if I do move 55 steps, see it has, right? Like this. You can also just enter the number that you want. Like I have to, now 1000 I want that this ball should move 1000 steps. So now see what happens. See. Okay. Now like, okay, like this. And if I want this ball to turn anti-clockwise 50 degree. Now see what happened. What happened? Do you know what happened? Let me see. First of all, listen to the, okay, in the next part I will tell you, okay, the functions of the commands. First of all, इतना ही रखो, इतना समझो, उसके बाद हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे ऐसे. उसके बाद आपको बस अभी मैं टैब्स बता दे रही हूँ, मोटा मोटा आप समझ लो कि टैब्स बता रही हूँ बस. ओके, एंड द पर्पल, द सेकंड वन इज लुक्स वन. ओके, सो इसमें लुक्स वाला में क्या होता है ना कि इसमें अब जैसे मुझे चाहिए कि से हेलो फॉर 2 seconds. Okay, now I want it say hello. Okay, now if I want minus, if I just put minus 1000 steps, so it will come back. See, it has come. Now see, come, right? Like that. Looks, it contains all the looks tab. It, as the name is only suggesting, as the motion tab is also saying the motion, it is a motion in that. It just look about this. We will talk about it later. And this is the sound. We can play any sound we want. Like if I want to play pop sound. See, pop, pop, pop. Yes, like that. And the next one is the pen. Now pen is very important. Pen down. See, if I put this pen down and I just more tell that it's only 10 steps. I want 10 steps. And then I want him to turn 15 degrees, and then I want to say hello for 2 seconds, and then I will have to do. Now see, let me execute the program. Now let me start from here. Now you will see what happened. See this line you can see over here. This line. Can you see it? This you have to do. Okay? Like this. This is the pen down. As soon as जैसे जैसे बॉल बढ़ती जाएगी उसकी एक आपको ट्रेल दिखेगी. ट्रेल मतलब वो जितना जितना मूव करेगी उसका आपको उसकी पूरी लाइन दिखेगी. वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई कहाँ पर वो खत्म हो गई. तो ये ऐसे चलेगा. तो ये बहुत इजी हो जाता है. इसलिए मैं तो हमेशा ये पेन डाउन यूज करती हूँ. See, now it will be one more line. See, right, like this. And the next one is data, events, controls, sensing, operators, more block. This I will tell you in my next video because it's a little bit difficult, but not for all of you if you watch my videos daily. Okay, so I will upload that video tomorrow, right? So only this much in this video, so that's why you can understand this chapter very well. This is a long chapter because we have to study the each functions of a command and all the tabs and all the scripts, all the costumes, all the sounds, and how to draw shapes from the script, right? Okay, so please like and subscribe my channel if you like this video very much and you found it helpful for you. And yes, it is for class 5 because this was in class 6 but now it is shifted to the class 5 syllabus. Okay, bye bye everyone. We'll wait for the next part. Stay tuned for the next part. Bye bye.